Hi everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this farmer's market basket as part of our 2 Skein Mother's Day challenge. For this project you're going to need a size F or 5 crochet hook as well as a 15mm crochet hook. You're also going to need some size 4 medium weight acrylic or cotton yarn. To get started, attach the yarn to your 15mm crochet hook and chain 20. Once you have your 20 chains, what we're going to do is we are going to place 1 single crochet in the back loop only of each stitch across, and we're going to start with the second chain from our crochet hook. So inserting your hook into the back loop only, place a single crochet. And go ahead and repeat that for each of the stitches in your row, and when you get to the end you should have a total of 19 single crochets. And when we get to the end of our row, instead of turning our work like we normally would, what we're going to do is we're actually going to insert our hook into the front loop only of our current stitch. And we're going to place a single crochet. And we're going to continue placing single crochets in the front loops only of each stitch in our row. We should have a total of 19 single crochets when we're done. And when you get to the end of your row, it should look something like this. So what we're going to do next is just insert our hook into that first single crochet stitch, and we're going to place 1 single crochet. And we're going to continue placing single crochets in each of the single crochet stitches until we get back around to our first single crochet here. And we should have a total of 38 stitches when we're done with our row. And when you get to the end of your row, it should look something like this. And since this is a continuous loop pattern, you don't have to start and stop each row. So what we're going to do is just simply dive into the first stitch from our last row and continue placing single crochets. So go ahead and continue this pattern going around and around and around until this reaches your desired size. I went ahead and crocheted 25 more rows and it looks something like this. And you want to try to end your last row at one of the 2 sides. Next, we're just going to place a slip stitch in our next stitch. And then we're going to trade out our hook for our smaller one. And once you've looped your size F or 5 crochet hook, what you're going to want to do is place 2 single crochets in the next stitch. And you're just going to continue placing 2 single crochets in each stitch across until you get back to your first single crochet stitch with your smaller hook. When you get to the end of your row, you're just going to want to place 1 single crochet in each stitch in your row. And you're going to want to do that for 3 rows so that you have a total of 4 rows with single crochets with your smaller hook. Once you have your 4 rows of single crochets, what you're going to want to do is place 1 single crochet in the next 13 stitches. Once you've placed your 13 single crochets, chain 16. Once you have your 16 chains, go ahead and skip 12 stitches. Place 1 single crochet in the 13th stitch. Place a single crochet in the next stitch and turn your work. From here, you're just going to want to place a single crochet in that single crochet stitch. And then you're going to want to place 1 single crochet in each of your chain stitches here. Once you've placed a single crochet in each of your chain stitches, go ahead and place 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. From here, turn your work, and starting with the second single crochet from your crochet hook, you're just going to want to place 1 single crochet going all the way down the rest of your handle. And when you get to the edge of your handle, go ahead and place 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. From here, turn your work, and starting with the second single crochet from your crochet hook, you're just going to want to place 1 single crochet in each stitch of your handle. And when you get to the end of your handle, go ahead and place 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. From here, turn your work, and again, starting with the second single crochet from your crochet hook, place 1 single crochet in each stitch of your handle. And when you get to the end of your row, go ahead and place 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. From here, place 1 single crochet in the next 20 stitches. And once you've placed your 20 single crochets, go ahead and chain 16 and then skip 12 stitches again, and then just repeat the steps that you followed for your previous handle for your second handle. And once you get to the end of your second handle, what you're going to want to do is just place 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. And once you have your 10 single crochets in place, just place 1 slip stitch in the next few stitches. From here, you just want to cut and tie off your yarn. And once you tie off your tails and tuck them, it should look something like this. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you're trying to make this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.